कवाची क्लॉथ ड्राइंग स्टैंड अब स्टेनलेस स्टील रॉड में भी उपलब्ध है। नया, यूजफुल एंड मूवेबल कवाची क्लॉथ ड्राइंग स्टैंड। स्पेयर पार्ट्स, फोल्डेबल लेग्स A, एंटी स्लाइड पाइप लॉक I, connectors G, press pin H, vertical support pipes E, square map central support pipes F. Step-by-step installation of Kavachi cloth drying stand. Step 1. Keep foldable legs in front of each other and join them with the help of square-shaped central support pipe in both the foldable legs A and F. Step 2. Insert vertical support pipes in the slots provided in foldable legs A and E. Step 3. Slide down tire 1 through the vertical support pipes and lock the same at desired height with the help of press pin by rolling the press pin from up position to down position E and I. Step 4. Fix the plastic connectors on the vertical support pipes E and G. Step 5. Insert vertical support pipe with plastic bush on the top in the plastic connectors E and G. Slide down tire through the vertical support pipes and lock the same at desired height with the help of press pin I and E. Step 6. Insert tire 2 through the vertical pipe and lock the same at desired height with the help of press pin by rolling the press pin from up position to down position I and H. Step 7. Fix the hanging wings by tilting the same and then twisting it on the vertical support pipes. Step 8. Unique 3-tire design, 3-way adjustable hanger support arm. On moving hanging wings, we can hang 5 hangers at a time in each hanging hook. Kavachi drying stand can accommodate up to 60 clothes. Special place for drying small clothes, socks, undergarment. Folding and storing. First, fold the legs as shown. Second, turn the hanging hooks, wings as shown. Third, keep the position of the 3-way adjustable hanger support arm of all the 3 tires at lowest position of parallel to vertical support pipe. Fourth, now your clothes drying stand is compact in size and can be stored behind the door, wardrobe, below the bed, etc. Troubleshooting. First, please see the ground surface is plain while placing the Kavachi 3-tire clothes drying stand for perfect balance. Second, if heavy blanket or bedsheet is drying on one side, please put some clothes for drying on the opposite side to avoid tilting. Kavachi cloth drying stand अब स्टेनलेस स्टील रॉड में भी उपलब्ध है। नया, यूजफुल एंड मूवेबल कवाची क्लॉथ ड्राइंग स्टैंड।